Assalamu alaikum. How's everyone today? Feeling good? That's wonderful. Okay, so remember what we did yesterday? We started doing worksheet number 4. We did the front side, and today we are going to do the back side of the same worksheet. That is worksheet number 4. Okay, so since you wrote down the date yesterday, it's not necessary. If you want to write the date, you can do so. If you don't, that is perfectly all right. Okay, so let's begin by reading the instructions. Here it says write counting from 0 to 50. We have to do it linear way, that is, we are going to do it from here to downwards. Okay, all right. Now when we count these squares, they are a little less in number. So I'll tell you how to do the work. Okay, so try to do the work with me. Over here we are not going to leave a square. Right under where it says O, we are going to write down 0. Okay, and leave a square over here and write down 1. Then again leave a square and write down 2. Again leave a square and write down 3. Here write down 4. Leave a square and write down 5. Over here leave a square and write down 6. And after 6 we are not going to leave any squares in between because we do not have enough space. Okay, so here we are going to write down 7, 8 and 9. Okay, now come over to this side. After 9 comes 10, so we write number 10 over here, and then 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. So over here we are going to reach number 19, and remember from 16, 17, 18 and 19 you are not going to leave any squares in between. So after 19 comes the number 20. Very good. So let's come to this side and write number 20 over here. So here we are going to write number 20. And then again let's count 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 and 29. Okay, and after 29 comes the number 30. So we write 30 over here. Okay, so if you look at these numbers 0, 10, 20, 30, what do you think should come over here? 40. And here we're going to have number 40 and 50. So in the instructions over here it says 0 to 50, but let's not stop at 50. Let's take it up to 59. Okay, can you do that? Yes, I'm sure you can. Okay, all right. So once you've completed the numbers, come to the bottom part. Here it says write the spellings of, and which shape can you see over here? The shape that goes round and round. Oh, good job. Yes, it's a circle. Wonderful. Okay, so let's write the spellings of circle over here, and don't forget we are going to write the spellings in a joining handwriting. Okay, so let's begin. C, I, R, C, L and E. Circle. C-I-R-C-L-E. Circle. Okay, so that's our worksheet complete. And after you've done this, you can color the circle, right? Okay, so after completing the worksheet, look at the board here. It says bigger and smaller numbers. You remember we did bigger and smaller numbers before as well, and we used a number line to find out which numbers were bigger and which were smaller. Okay, the numbers at the top in the top half of this number line are smaller, and the numbers at the bottom are bigger. So looking at this number line, tell me, look at these two numbers, 2 and 7. Which one is bigger? 2 is there and 7 is down there. So which one is bigger? 7. Because 2 is at the top and 7 is at the bottom. Okay. So we circle 7 because that is the bigger number. Okay. Now let's look at these two numbers, 4 and 6. Okay, so looking at a number line, 4 is over there and 6 is here. So which one is at the bottom? 6. So that means 6 is the bigger number. Okay. All right. Now this one is really easy. 1 and 5. 1 is there and 5 is down here. So you can circle the bigger number. Which one is that? 5. Yes, you're right. All right. Now look at these two. Now this is very easy as well. That's 3 and 8 is down here. So this one was really easy. Okay, so which one is the bigger number? 8. And look at this one, 7 and 9. They're quite close to each other, 7 and 9. But which one is at the bottom? Yes, so you circle the bigger number. So in the same way, if you get a question in your test that says circle the smaller number, what you are going to do is think which one comes at the top, which number comes at the top, so that would be the smaller number. Okay. And when you have your test, you won't have a number line like this one in front of you, and all you have to do is keep the numbers in your mind, so it will make it very easy for you. Okay, so that's our work for today. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.